Headed to R+T Asia in Shanghai? Don't land without these must-have apps. In 3 minutes, I'll give you a simple 7-app checklist that'll save your trip. Let's go. Number 1. WeChat. I use it to message suppliers, swap business cards via QR, join event groups, and even pay for coffee. Pro tip, set your display name to your real name and company. Add a profile photo. Keep your QR code handy. Inside WeChat, scan menus, translate messages. Use mini programs for venue maps. Number 2. Alipay. Payments are king at trade shows, and cash won't cut it. Alipay now accepts many international Visa and MasterCard cards. Just verify your passport in-app and load your card. I use it for taxis, snacks, and the Metro gate. Add a second card as backup. Enable notifications so you can expense everything later. Number 3. Didi. This is your ride-hailing lifeline. Choose Express for value, or Premier if you've got samples and banners. Drop pins in English. Add the venue in Chinese from the map. Message the driver with quick presets like, "I'm at gate 3. Keep small bills for toll add-ons just in case. Number 4. A-Map, also called Gaud. It's the most accurate navigation in China. I switch it to English. I use it for walking, metro transfers, and live bus arrivals. It shows the correct Chinese names. Super helpful when you're telling a driver exactly where to go. Number 5. Meituan Dianping. Think Yelp plus DoorDash, but better. I use it to find lunch near the expo, read photo-heavy reviews, order delivery to my hotel when I'm wiped, sort by distance and rating, look for places with picture menus. If your card doesn't work in-app, order for pickup. Pay at the counter with Alipay or WeChat Pay. Number 6. Trip.com. For trains, flights, and hotels. I book the maglev or high-speed rail, get e-tickets in English, manage changes without a queue, save your passport and company card in advance to speed through checkout. Number 7. Pleco. It's the best Chinese dictionary and scanner. I point my camera at booth signs, labels, or invoices. It gives me pinyin plus meanings. I also save key phrases like fabric specs or opening hours so I can reference them on the floor. Quick setup checklist before you fly. SIM or eSIM with data. Activate before landing. Turn on English in A-Map and Didi. Add your passport and a backup card to Alipay. Set your WeChat name and photo. Download offline maps in A-Map and save the expo address in Chinese and English. Star your hotel, expo gates, and the nearest metro stops. Pro moves at the show. Share your WeChat QR when networking. It's faster than email. Use WeChat mini programs for venue navigation and food courts. Call a Didi from the designated pickup zones to avoid cancellations. Pay small vendors with Alipay QR. Tap, scan, not pay for most counters. Remember, app availability and rules can change. Check the latest payment and download options in your country before you travel. That's your 7-app toolkit for R+T Asia. Save this, set them up now, and you'll move like a local on day 1.